S is for Saza, sa, sa, Saza. T is for Tafura,
Ta, ta, tafura.
U is for Utta,
Utta.
V is for Viri,
Vi, vi, viri.
U is for Waja,
Wa, wa, waja.
I is for Jakko,
Ja, ja, jako.
Z is for Zai.
Za, za, zaj.